Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ninja Gaiden 4 game not launching, crashing, not loading, black screen, lagging, low FPS or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then choose power button and then select restart PS5. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable, then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. First go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Ninja Gaiden 4, then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, first open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Ninja Gaiden 4 game. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, first open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then choose current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, open settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. And finally, choose update using internet option. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, open settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, select restore option. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to reinstall Ninja Gaiden 4. First, highlight Ninja Gaiden 4 on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Ninja Gaiden 4 again to check for the error. Next solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across to the support team and they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.